Hey, what's going on, traders? I'm ecstatic to make this video because I think this is going to be my biggest trade ever as a professional day trader. Now I'm up over $10,000 profit in just 2 days off the stock, and the cool part is we made a video on it just a few days ago, which you guys absolutely crushed it on. So if you guys want to go see that and you haven't already, make sure you go watch the video on the stock that we did break down. But before we get right into it, I have two huge announcements. One being the launch of the premium calls group chat in our Discord, which we broke the stock down in before it blew up. So if you guys want to join, the first link in the description box below. And the second big announcement is we are taking $100 off pre-order bonus on our Profit Chasers Pro Investor course. So if you guys want to pre-order that, it is the second link in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get right in the video and see what I potentially think is going to be my biggest trade ever as a day trader. If you guys are wondering why I'm wearing a jacket, it is like negative 10 degrees out where I live. Looking to move. So if you know anywhere that is at least 0 degrees Fahrenheit, put it down in the comments because I'm trying to move out here. Anyway, back to the video. This is ticker symbol BNGO. We did make a video on it previously on why I see value in it. So I don't want to go all the way into what the company's about, but I want to talk about my thought process when trading the stock. So if you guys are in the Discord, you know I talked about it when it was going up initially right here at around from $5 to almost $10. So right here when it went all the way up to $9.95, I wanted to get in, but I knew it was very overbought and had a lot of room to run off. So I alerted the team after I did some more due diligence on the stock, why I see value in it, but you need to get it at a cheaper price. And lucky enough, there's a registered shelf offering the next day, which went from $9 all the way down to $7. That was a golden opportunity that I really wanted to see. So I alerted the team at $7. Now I went all the way down to $6.95, so 5 cents off the low. And I bought at $7, $7.05, and a bunch of times. What I'd like to do, and I teach this in the course, is I like to scale in and scale out of positions. That elevated my game as a trader when I started to do that, as opposed to just buying all in once and buying all out, or selling all out at another time. And it quickly recovered all the way to this 9 exponential moving average right here, that green line. I know green is a bad color, but this one right here, when I saw that it recovered, I knew it was about to make a big jump. Why? I talked about it in the last video on how NNNDM had the exact, where's the dang stock? Had the exact same play right here. And then look at it now. This is where we are at on BNGO, and then boom, it just exploded. So I'm not saying it's going to go all the way to $15 like NNDM, but I think it's going to make a really good move, and it already has. I'm already up. If I show you my P&L, going back to BNGO, why can I never find anything on my watch list? Oh, I'm blind. And then click active trader. Boom, I'm actually just under it. It did break below a little bit at 7:30. It dipped a little bit, but I'm up almost $10,000 profit on this trade. Now my biggest trade ever as a trader is $13,000. That was actually off of 1 day trade. This isn't a day trade, as I added right here. This is where I bought in. So it's 2 days, or technically it's about to be a 4-day hold, but I think if it goes to 11, which I'd assume it would go at least to $11, that it will be my best trade, as I will squeeze out just over $15,000 profit. Like I said, my best trade was 13, so I'm nearing the gap and I'm really close, and I'm really excited. But that's trading. You lose sometimes, but you win big, and others at least you hope. But you just need to stay calm, cool, and collected, as I haven't exited this trade yet. So after I exit the trade, maybe it'll sink in. I was a little bit happier because I was a beginner trader, actually, more or less beginner. I was only a year into trading after I hit that $13,000 winner. Now, being longer into it, I've worked so much on my emotion side of it. Yeah, I'm excited. I think I might reward myself. I actually think I might build a new computer. Fingers crossed. But that's trading. You need to be emotionless as possible. When you lose, you don't want it to affect your day, and when you win, you generally don't want to be on these highs, as if you don't make these big wins every day, the rest of your days aren't going to feel as sweet as these big days. So we need to treat each and every day as a new opportunity to affect the market. But let's talk about where I think it's going to head, price target wise. So as you can see at NNDM, it did break the last high, and it broke $10 on BNGO, which I was really happy to see, and that was after market. So the two upcoming key catalysts I'm watching out for is, first, the investor conference in England, the Festival of Genomics or something like that. They present in 2 days. Now CRISPR presents a lot of genome companies are presenting, and I think BNGO or BioNano presents on Wednesday. Don't quote me on that. But 2, they're not even done with the registered shelf offering. They haven't even closed it yet. So after that close, that's going to be another nice catalyst to get us maybe over the $11, $12 mark. My plan to either lock in profits is if it breaks below $10 Monday morning, I will probably sell half of them and let the other half ride out. Or if it breaks 11, 12, 13 and becomes super overextended and it looks like it's bound for a nice pullback, if it does that, I will probably sell half and scale out of my position. As I like to do that, I like to scale out and then scale into my position. So now you know my plan of attack. If you want to know the next stock that I think I'm going to make 5 digits on, join the Discord. I want to end this video with a quick highlight of some of the stocks we did talk about in the Discord in the last few weeks and see where they are now. So we have CCiv, when I said I'm adding to my watch list, and eventually I bought in at $13.55. Now if we go back to my TOS platform, CCiv currently is at $23, and that was just a few days ago. That was actually just shy of a week ago. If you guys are part of the team, you know we rave about this next stock almost on the daily. Every single one of my watch list alerts always has this ticker symbol in it. NNNDM. The first time we actually broke it down was at $2.50, but I put a strong buy alert at $8.50. Where it's at currently is just shy of $15 a share. That is amazing, as that's almost 100% gain in just a week alone. I can show you much more, but I think you guys get the point. So if you guys want to join, like I said, link is in the bio. As always, don't forget to stay focused and stay motivated. If you guys like this video, do not hesitate to like and subscribe, as it would motivate me to make more of these videos for you guys. Other than that, if you want me to break down any other stocks, or if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. But other than that, I will see you guys in the very next video.